It's quite easy to get stuck between four walls, getting back from work, making dinner, choosing some kind of entertainment to boost one's dopamine levels. After a while, that easily accessible comfort becomes addictive. And in that space, people's minds tend to narrow. It becomes boring to take walks or to enjoy nature. Visually, you're not seeing wide open spaces, not feeling fresh air, not moving physically, so the blood circulation slows down. It's really not natural to live like that for a living being.
Svarbu neuždengti kameros. Be šitos. Gerai.
It is possible to create a connection with the place and to actually feel like you're visiting a friend, an entity. This particular entity has seen a lot of my inner world which I've shared. Approaching this river and starting to hear this stream is like hearing an old friend just there over the corner. Nowadays, people are often rushing from point A to point B, forgetting nature outside and within themselves. Being in nature inspires being in the now, without rushing to that next point. A sensation of freedom occurs, which is often said to be our natural state within.